Hello. Finally Wednesday, yeah. What do we have today? We have a Samsung S6, yeah. And the problem with this one, yeah. Oh, the phone is working fine. So we have picture. But let's have a look on the charging port, yeah. So what do you think about that charging port? Okay. Okay, let me stick the phone on the front of the heater. A room heater, you know, because you have to heat up the back to take the back out, yeah. And let's speak about the charging port, yeah. Charging port on this phone to be replaced. Most of the shops avoid replacing the charging port on this phone. From the simple reason, yeah. You see, so that's the charging port. This is a 6 S6H plus ribbon cable, but doesn't matter, it's the same, yeah. Charging port is here, and the sensors, you see, these sensors are under the screen, yeah. So the problem is it's a hard thing to replace this bit. If you think you can take out the charging port and play it with the hot air, no, actually you can't, because you have the home button is on the back of the charging port, you see? You understand? So it's not an easy thing. How I replace this thing is the most easy way, yeah? And I will show you how. But most of the phones 6H plus, I think 6H doesn't have the sensor. I think 7, all they have same thing, yeah? So let's check together. Let me grab the phone and try to take out the back cover, yeah? The thing, yeah, when it asks for the charging port money, be sure you'll be covered with the back, because most of the time the paint from the back goes off. So take this in consideration, yeah? A new back. Yeah, so check here. Actually the back is not cracked, yeah? But look at the paint. So that's the thing. Because it's like poor quality back or paint. Yeah, look at the paint. So you see, there's no way how you can give back the customer something like that. No, you can't do it, you know. It's, if you think if you'll use like a plastic thing and the paint will be on the, or still on the back, you're wrong. Trust me. Over the time, this paint is not stuck on the back anymore. You see, it's getting out very easily. So the back is fine, but the paint is gone. So don't get this thing wrong, yeah? I'll explain you later what it's all about. Can't believe. See, someone is moaning here. They bought a watch, yeah, a Sony watch. from here with 25 pound, 25, a second-hand watch, working fine, yeah. The customer took the watch and he come back yesterday. He's not working. I opened the watch, was full of water, full, you know. And now come back and he said no, he didn't use he didn't put the watch on water. Can't believe. Why you can't be honest, you know? What do you expect from a 25-pound watch? Smartwatch. It's a smartwatch, yeah. Yeah, obviously he won the money back. Romer screw, yeah. I can't believe how low can people can go for 25 pound. Can't believe, you know. And obviously I took the picture and I sent the picture, the one that was like fresh water there. Yeah. Let me see if I can find the picture. Yeah, I found it. So check that. There is, it's like fresh water. You can see the drop of water. That's sick. And everything is rusty there. And like drop of water. Fresh water. You should. Okay. Let's see. We took out the SIM card jack. Let's open the phone, yeah? From the top, yeah, from the top. Yeah. We don't have more screws. Okay, the phone is open, yeah? So we have the charging port. Just do it like me, yeah? Just do it like me. Let's use some flux, my liquid flux, but just a bit. A bit. Let's go under the microscope. Let's isolate the things here. Okay. Let's go under the microscope. You know, this you have to take off the charging port, you know, like short, like an injection, 500 degrees, and be quick, because on the other side you have the home button, and if you're not quick you'll melt the home button and everything is gone. Yeah, so you have to be quick. $500. Okay, let's try to take this out, yeah? But again, you have to be quick. You have to be fast. Yeah, the charging board is out, yeah? That's the charging port. Okay, we have to take out that thing. It's some glue. Okay, the glue is out. Everything is looking fine. Maybe it's not on focus. But everything is looking great, yeah? Now we don't need this foil anymore. Yeah, that always will happen. One second, yeah? Let's take the solders from there. Clean the solder. You should show them the picture, you know, it's fresh water, yeah? You show them? Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's clean the solder. But only from here, yeah? That's all. Maybe this one? No, maybe not. Let's leave like that. Let's take a charging port. From where we can get a charging port? From our 6 SESH Plus. Yeah. Okay, let's have a look.
Oh, this is the one with the ports, isn't it? You need to have a look at this guy.
Okay.
USB port.
Okay. So with the heat from the back, yeah? From the back. Okay. I'll check this now. You see the home button? Sorry? Which one? No. No, you need the old style. Okay. Let's see. Let's where is the charging? It's here. Okay. So the new charging port is here. It's fine. Yeah, let's take the thing out. You know, the That's the safest way to replace the charging port. Otherwise, to leave the screen, that's very dangerous. That's crazy, you know. Okay, everything is fine here. Let me check one more time. Okay. Let's clean these things, yeah. And this thing. Okay, and this thing. Okay. All good. Perfect. Give me 1 second, let me clean that. Yeah, that's colophonium. Okay, don't worry about that, yeah? Don't worry. That's not an issue. Let's put back the charging port. Let's use some clear flux. Yeah. Let's try to solder the charging port. Okay. Let's see, yeah. Now we can see better, yeah. Perfect. I don't think we can solder these things here, but we can try. Yeah, we can. Okay, let's clean now. Yeah. I'll check one more time. Everything is fine, it's how it's supposed to be, yeah. Okay, the charging port is soldered on the back but not on the front, but that's not an issue. Because on this, on the S6, the design is great. So you see the charging port. Actually, this charging port is impossible. So it's impossible to break this charging port, like to move it and break the solders. Because of these things, yeah. So you try to move up, down, left, right, you know, you can't move it because you have this metal frame, yeah. Now let's check. Yeah, we have the USB power meter here, charging cable, (900 milliamps), 1.1, so it's charging fine. 1.2, that's great. 1.4, even better, even better. Yeah, so the phone is charging perfect. Okay, again, this is easy, you know. I'm playing, but to leave the screen just to take the sensors out, you go to the point where are the sensor here, you have the cable here and here, it goes here, these sensors. To actually have to leave the screen to take the sensor out, now that's long and risky. Yeah, what I will do now, Moria, what I will do, even if you leave this like that, it will be fine. What I will do more, I will use a bit of glue, hot glue. Yeah, just a bit. Yeah, just a bit of glue over the charging port. Yeah, and now I'll put all back together. Everything is back on place. Let's use 2 screws here on the bottom, and obviously here under this is the charging port. Yeah, I'll just put the screws and I'll hit a bit, and that way my hot glue goes everywhere and will keep the charging port on place. You understand? That's all. That's all what you have to do, and now you can tie the screws. Now nothing will move there. Nothing will move there. Easy. I told you it's easy. That's the easy way how to replace the charging port on these things. Yeah. (1.4 amps). Great. 0%. Now, yeah, I have to replace the back cover. Back cover is cheap, like £5, something like that. Actually, the job is expensive. We are charging a lot for this job just because the other shop are not doing this thing. Yeah, so everyone is avoiding this kind of job. %. Let's power up this thing. How much we're charging? 60. Sorry, but this is risky, you know. My main concern, home button, and it's working fine. Yeah, clicking fine, so nothing is hot there. Yeah. So that's the easy way how you can do this job. I think I checked on YouTube, and on YouTube are tutorials how you can leave the screen to take that sensors out. Now listen to me, the main issue is not that screen. Yeah, that's the main issue actually. But the problem is you replace the genuine original charging port with a Chinese one. And I have so much bad experience, you know. You have no signal, the microphone is not working, the battery temperature sign, a lot of faults, yeah. So use the original the original part, yeah. Here you have a lot of things, it's not like only a cable. Okay, charging fine, home button is working fine. Let me shut down this. It's taking 1.4 amps, you know, that's enough for me. When I see that kind of current, you know, I know everything is perfect there. And you can move it. Nah, it's solid. It's solid. I can't even shut down. If you don't know the password, probably you cannot shut down this thing. No, you can't shut down. Okay. That's all for today, yeah? Actually, it's not for today. We still have few jobs, yeah? That's all for now. Don't forget like and subscribe if you like the video. And see you later. It's quite morning, you know, it's like 10 o'clock, 12 past 10. And I haven't drank my Coca-Cola. Okay? Yeah, I'll order a new back cover and I'll replace the back cover. Obviously, it's nothing what I can do here. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. I think I said that already, yeah? See you later. Bye.